So what's this all about, Tasaru? You wanted us to meet you in the Forest Kingdom, and you said it was important, but why did you change into a Gorm Lord?
Don't push me, Bird Brain. When I say jump, you say how high.
Tasaru, just get to the point.
I heard these startling noises coming from those bushes back there, so I decided to check it out. Watch this. Quantinous vision.
Exactly what is that?
Well,
It's a Gormita, and it's a new one. Is it dangerous?
Dangerous? It's about the size of an acorn. Huh? Even Sebi's unimpressed. He probably wants to eat it.
So what's it called? I discovered it, so I get dibs on naming it. I'm gonna call it GERZ. Huh? Well, I like the name. You want to give GERZ a complex?
And what kind of talent does GERZ possess? No, wait, let me guess. It coos like a newborn.
I haven't figured that out yet.
Well, whatever it does, I bet it tastes good.
Don't even think about it, Noctis. It seems harmless enough, Tas, but it's a wild animal. Why don't we just let it go? But I found it.
Appearances can be deceiving, young prince. Especially now.
Do you have a task for us?
No task this time, Prince Agaram, but I do have a serious warning for you.
What a surprise! Like this old goat has ever given us good news?
I come with a warning about Magor.
Of course it is. What else would it... Oh! Alright, I promise, no more wisecracks. Carry on.
Since Magor has devoured the Gormstone, everyone is at risk. Its destruction has sent shockwaves throughout Gorm.
Everyone's at risk, but how? I don't get it. I don't understand.
Me neither.
Does this mean I'm finally allowed to talk? Yeah, I'm confused, old sage.
This shockwave has thrown nature out of balance. What once was calm is now angry. What once was safe is now dangerous.
That doesn't sound good.
It is the opposite of good, Prince Piran. The very laws of the natural world have been completely upended. As the shockwave takes effect, we will see things come into being that should never happen.
look at the GERZ.
That defies the laws of nature.
Exactly.
How do we stop them? Should we activate our Gormstones?
That won't be necessary. We should be able to handle them. Darn. Look, I got one.
This shouldn't be too difficult.
Old Sage, we sure could use some help over here, huh?
I hate when he does that.
We need a plan. Now where the heck did Tasaru and Piran run off to?
We were gonna ask you the same
Over
thing.
here. Is Tasaru with you?
Here.
Piran?
Hey, what?
I'll try to find him.
This is crazy.
Where are they going?
Towards the refuge. Come on!
Wait a minute. We need a plan or we won't be stopping anything.
For once, I agree with Agrom. We have to work together if we want to stop those replicating little monsters.
Sounds good to me, but if we're going to be a strong team, we need a strong leader.
That'll be
me.
What makes you think you should be the leader?
I'd ask you the same question.
Because I know more about Gorm than you ever will, that's why.
And what you don't know, you'll just make up? Am I right?
Why don't you and I just step outside?
Calm down, guys. We are outside.
You want to be leader now?
Now, wait a minute. I never said anything like that.
Then back off.
Yeah, Piran, step aside so I can show Noctis what being a real leader's about.
Tasaru, I need help.
Forget it, Piran. I have to warn my people.
Come on, guys. Isn't there a better way to settle this? Couldn't we have a contest where you test skills? Wouldn't that be better than beating each other to a pulp?
Fine.
Ready when you are.
Gotcha.
Not so fast.
Well, since you like dirt so much, I'll make you eat it.
Come on, you guys. Haven't you two had enough? Or not?
Are you ready to put an end to this?
I was born ready, Prince Dirt.
Maybe you guys should talk.
Not now.
Really, Agrom,
Now's not the time.
You've got to be kidding me. Hey, guys!
You want to die? Fine by me.
Now I'll show you who's the better leader.
Agrom, what have you done to Noctis?
I'm the better leader, and I just showed Noctis that.
Fat chance. You didn't think it'd be that easy, did you?
Guys, cut it. We have too many things to worry about.
What other things?
Them!
I need some help here. Unleash the powers of water.
We all need to do our best.
Unleash the powers of Earth.
Need some help?
How about a boulder basher?
Let's do it.
Rapid rock attack.
That's what I'm talking about. Tasaru!
Already on it.
Where are they going? We were just getting warmed up.
To the refuge, come on! Hurry, they're coming! Get to the refuge!
There.
Titanic Flood Fist! Furious Wind Twist! Hammer time! Ha! Bloodland! This isn't working!
We could use some breathing room. Mighty Rock Ball!
Well, don't take too long. They won't wait.
Now would be a good time to come up with some bright ideas, fearless leader.
Did you just call me leader?
Yeah.
Titanic Flood Fist!
Hello, servants of Gorm.
7?
Are you kidding?
Looks to me like you guys are in over your heads as usual.
Not so fast, 7. Oh!
Impressive, but how long can you keep that up?
I guess we do know how to handle you, 7.
You will pay for that, you little forest shrub!
Okay, Piran, you and Tasaru distract 7 while we deal with the GERZ swarm.
No, I'll fight with 7. He's already angry at me. The 3 of you must try to protect the refuge.
But you can't take him on your own.
Promise me.
Of course we promise, but as soon as we're finished, we will be coming back to help you.
Do you foolish younglings think I'm here for you? Your egos outweigh your powers.
Then what are you doing here?
I'm after something more important. I'm after these things.
You mean the GERZ? Whatever for?
They're a destructive force. They replicate uncontrollably and feed continuously. Magor will use them to strip this planet bare.
I'm here to make sure that's not gonna happen.
Well, that I'd like to see. Tell me, youngling, do you even know how to stop the GERZ? I'm quite sure you don't. It all goes back to the original. Whomever controls the first GERZ controls the whole species. They'll be the most powerful weapon the Volcano Tribe have ever used. We will conquer this land.
Good luck with that. There's thousands of them.
But I'll burn through them quickly. That won't work again. How quaint. I may regret destroying this. No, the pain,
Really?
please. No, not really. See ya, Gorm.
That can't be good. You handle 7. I'll take out the GERZ.
No, 7 isn't here for us. We have to protect them.
Huh? Protect them? We're drowning in them, Tasaru.
Where is the progenitor? Don't try to stop me.
Don't wait up for me.
Ouch! Sorry, my bad.
What the heck kind of leader are you?
Not again. Look out!
What do you think? I was born yes.
I mean, really.
Look, it's not my fault.
I don't know who's more dangerous.
Such power wasted on petulant children. I should just let you destroy yourselves.
I've got an idea.
I hope it's a good one, because we could sure use it.
Wait here. I'll be right back.
Wait a minute.
We have to really figure it out.
Gentlemen, we need to focus and be...
Lead by example, Lord Piran. That is the only way.
The power of the waters. The mighty staff.
Furious wind twist.
Titanic flood fist.
See, a leader?
The power is within you, Lord Piran. You just have to use it.
What if I can't?
Then all will be lost.
Yeah, no pressure there, old sage. Noctis, waterfall.
Who do you think you are?
I said do it.
All right.
Agrom, hydrochasms.
I'm on it!
Lord Noctis.
With pleasure.
This is only a distraction, Gorm Lords. But it's a good one anyway.
You know what I'm thinking?
Absolutely.
Enough of these foolish games.
Hey, Seven.
Eat our mist fist. So what's our next move?
Well, I think we should... Huh? I'm sorry, buddy, but I don't speak GERZ.
That's him! The original! He will be mine!
Not if we can help it, pal. Now, take him down!
Looks like you and I are gonna have to work together.
With pleasure.
Sand screen!
Did you know he could do that?
Everybody, get down!
Prepare to feel my wrath,
No! No! Get away from me! Stop! No!
Has anybody seen Lord Azoury lately?
Over here! Get out of my kingdom!
This isn't over yet, children! Not by a long shot!
Whatever.
So what about the GERZ?
You discovered them. Do you know what it's saying? Not a clue.
Now that that's over, what do we got for dinner?
Hey, what's wrong, Tasaru? Have you lost your appetite?
Oh, this was all my fault because I was the one who found the GERZ. Sorry, guys.
You didn't know they could replicate?
Replicate.
Whatever.
And we learned that we should always work together.
And that Piran here is a born leader.
Not to rain on anyone's parade or anything, but remember what the old sage said? He said something about nature being out of balance.
And something tells me that this was only the beginning.
And we'll just have to deal with it. But for now, pass the salt.
Sages there with much wisdom to share.